Makwaba and Adom TV so the Adrono, a Kasie Tau, Yam de Cassiano Sumidin, Ediocatachi, A.J. Sikapafe, in some no interim any. A Priamanta Musrafu, a year reta, Cosuaji, Awati, whether the Sre to NDC, Penny for Chitai for, and I could be more for Nina, and I must say, and found one you'll be Pierre Ganaman Penny be Yamo one more, say MDC and one more Send Pacono, or bet me a general tomo, no more Machitai, Amano. Epoya mantam no so afo eyereta akosuaje awate wodne satune sayem esreke bi omofo ankorankora nyumaku ene wono mo ewogidi ewo NDC amanyoko ni nyina mu se MMDC sawayi wono madama omofo machitai emma won mo na wonje won mo entum na se bana se omotumi age won mo atum a eno no wekire obu ani dia omowo ede magana mampanyini na ginaye ene nyina so betumi aboa ede mpontu aba won mo MS na emu
ye nyina na Aboakwa South ye dieti nya ye nyina ye meye se party bi nti ye meye so obi nti ye beye se Aboakwa South Municipal Assembly ebeko enim Aboakwa South. I will appeal that you give the nominee a one touch and 100%. The nominee has been carefully selected, as I started earlier on, based on his merit and competence and loyalty to Ghana and to the service of the people of Aboakwa South. Therefore, I am appealing to you, honorable members, to offer your full support to endorse him a yes.
Nano we see no nanado ekinsi a wono eye Aboakwa South MCE enso so ahwebo o si di brampanyefo de amana no behwese mesene ne mo no kuadwuma ebetumi akoso.
The mission is to create a municipality that is resilient in terms of finances, a municipality that can take care of its own self in terms of several developmental projects and government to come and support us when they need be. It is to create a municipality which is peaceful, a municipality which there is unity.
Okopie Asante mantam no so dia MCE Ghana mampanyini yi no edema Asante Akyem South Municipality Assembly members to aba wie ndodo na enekodi na afa. MCE abato ekọ so e Asante Akyem no owie ye na koye ne gisem kese esanse mesni kratra Ghana mampanyi eyi ne ma wo no mo no assembly no wage no atomo o kiremu a Maame safo a apia ono ani ewura Ghana mampanyi eyi ne ma wo no mo se ono mesni krachi ko wie kire no assembly members no emuodu no monko no eneto aba no epene so ne sante no Maame safo a apia the assembly members ne nyina se wono mo nyagidi ante se ewo ne mo.
Enya GDO no sanse ni pe enya mugidi a onto abama eti aseda kese pa na me ma assembly na me catch mo bi o say e GDO no menya me ma mo no some to abama Asante Akyem. This is the first time Abaya MCE. It's a historical event, and then I think so I'm going to work together with the different departments everyone together and make one mix me
and wachi assembly members ya wono mo e Asante Akyem South and so the san simia tuja
with me aboa the first one yeah ba no practice so with me because the man e wo bibie mu a eye the man leader wo ni see the man ya less corrupt intimidate and na ya to abayi oba no
Bejina sanse so na wie kase no media simidin ediokatachi AJ Sikapa akramo.